What's up, guys? So this video right here you're about to watch is a vast variety of New Orleans music, street performers. We got everything from Jackson Square to Bourbon Street, and then we go over to Frenchmen Street to some local clubs. I mean, the whole thing is really dope. I couldn't put all the footage into one video, or else it'd be an hour and something long. But this is a nice blend and a nice taste of just a nice variety of music. And watchers beware. There might be some things that like at the very end, but I'm not going to spoil it. Just check it out. Just get a chance to see what I see and what I love every time I go down there. It's all about culture, music, food. I love it. So check it out. You're gonna like it too. You're leaving at 8 o'clock?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna come back.
We'll be back.
Thanks, guys.
Can be more than other people, more than other people, more than other people.
Yeah, you are.
Cool spot. Skateboard lamps, what?
Oh,
You know I love this.
How y'all doing?
Good. So you paint your own decks?
Yeah.
She paints these. She paints these. I asked her where she got her decks from. Because I'm like, they don't look like any of mine or any like Pal Peralta or Vision or, you know, 8th Street. I'm like, what brand decks is this? So that's really dope. And she painted these.
I'm a one-woman show.
Do you paint things like by request?
Sometimes.
So if she were to get in touch with you
Yeah.
for a present for me,
Oh, yeah. Right?
that would be dope.
Yeah, I could do something special for you.
Because I want a skateboard lamp.
That would be cool.
Okay.
Yeah.
You heard it. She said she could do it. That's awesome. I'm really happy. Frenchmen Street is cracking though. I love Frenchmen Street. Not even mad at you, Frenchmen Street. I'm mad that I've never been here before. Oh shit.